Hello, dear students. As we are about to begin, webinar will start within a few minutes. Just be in a meeting.
ಹಲೋ ಶ್ರೀರಂಜನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರುಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ ಯಾರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿರೂಪಣೆ?
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
Hello.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ. ಹಲೋ ಗಣೇಶ್ ನಾಗ್. ಸುಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ
Okay, sir. Sure.
ಇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
Okay, sir. Sure.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ.
Okay, sir. I will.
ಓಕೆ.
Hello.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Good evening, sir.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಸಾಲತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಅಣ್ಣ
ಬಂದ್ರು.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸಾಲತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ರಾ? ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಲತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹಾ.
ಸಾಲತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಸಾಯಿಲತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಅರುಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದೋದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದಾರೆ
ಅಣ್ಣ
ಸರ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sir, good evening, sir.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅರುಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Namaste, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Madam,
Good
namaste.
evening, Aruna madam.
Namaste, namaste.
Namaste,
everyone.
madam.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
ಶ್ರೀರಂಜನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಶ್ರೀರಂಜನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಸ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Start to initiate. You can proceed.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Let others join.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಜೊತೆ
Okay, ma'am.
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay, ma'am. I will start now. Okay, we are going to begin the session in just a while now. Good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to host this webinar. I'm Jyoti SG, lecturer in Commerce PSPUC. So I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. So now we have to welcome our guest. So I request Mr. Kumar Dayanidhi, Faculty of Commerce, to welcome the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a wonderful opportunity and an occasion that we have joined here to inquire and find out the information about the future prospects of second year PUC commerce students. It's my privilege that I have been given the opportunity to introduce and welcome our key speakers. First of all, I'd like to welcome and introduce our Professor Aruna AA. In a span of 30 years, Professor Aruna has worked in different educational institutes in different disciplines such as commerce, management, and fashion technology. Aruna Madam has also served as HOD, Vice Principal, and Principal in a tenure of 7 years, and has also worked as a faculty in Siddhganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. Currently, Madam is working as manager of CVC PH Shumaga, where she is in charge of training and placements. We are very fortunate to have you, ma'am, with us on this occasion. I'd like to welcome ma'am to this occasion.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kumar, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I would like to welcome Dr. Kasum Seti Sailata madam, MCOM PhD, MCOM in 1998, fourth rank from Gulbarga University, PSc from Mysore University in 2007. She has worked as HOD in Vidya Vikas College, worked as associate professor in Mysore University, HOD in VIT College, lecturer in JSS PG Center, lecturer in DOS College Mysore, lecturer in Nataraja College Mysore, and she is also an author who has published a book on entrepreneurship, business entrepreneurship, published in 2012, and also has a lot of research papers and publications in her name. I would like to heartily welcome Madam to this occasion, ma'am, to this webinar program. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
It's my privilege to welcome our organizer and president of this function, our principal, sir, Sri Ranganataya, sir, who has worked in various disciplines and in various universities and is with us in PS Institute and is guiding us in various platforms. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful platform, sir. I would like to welcome you to this webinar program.
Thank you, Kumar sir.
I would like to welcome our Vice Principal Bhuvaneshwari ji and all the faculty members who have enthusiastically worked to form this webinar program. Welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mrs. Bhuvaneshwari ji, Vice Principal PS PUC, to talk about objective of this program. Over to you, ma'am.
Bhuvaneshwar madam. Hello, Bhuvaneshwar madam. Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Give a small brief lines about the objective, please.
The objective of this wonderful webinar program is
1 minute, Kumar.
is to encourage.
Bhuvaneshwar madam.
Yes.
Hello, Bhuvaneshwar madam.
Sir.
Now your turn to speak about objective of this program, madam, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಶುಭ ನಮನಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ನ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 1-2 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದೇ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶೈಲತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅರುಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಭಾಷಣಕಾರರು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ PUC-ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಲಂಕಷವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಈ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಹುಡುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಇದೇ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ವಿಪುಲವಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಅನೇಕ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು GST ಈ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಜನ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಅವಕಾಶಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮುಂದುವರಿಬಹುದು, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು CA ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅವಕಾಶಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ PUC ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಹನೀಯರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಅವರ ಸಲಹೆ ಸೂಚನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ವಿಷಯಗಳು, ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಈ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂದೇಹಗಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಿತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಂದೇಹಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ಸದ್ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಉದ್ದೇಶ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂದೇಹಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we are in main part of this webinar, that is speaker's talk. So now I request Mrs. Aruna A, Manager, CDC PES Trust. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jyoti madam. Hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, madam. Your voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. First of all, very, very happy to get connected with you, my dear students, because it's been a very long time since we met, right? I would really love to see the kind of interactions that the students definitely have with me today in today's session, like what we had in our earlier classes as well, okay? So on that particular note, before I start with today's session, I would really, really like to thank PUC, especially Professor Ranganathaiyar sir, who was instrumental in crafting this program or in shaping up this program, and requesting like the speaker saying that because such a kind of a program is very, very necessary for the outgoing batch, because aache kade hod mele rather than facing confusions, providing the information when the students pass out a particular institution will really prepare them to make an informed decision, pertaining to their future career options, pertaining to their preferences of taking up a particular program in the further days, right? So on that particular note, very happy to get connected with you, and I would really like to thank Ranganathaiyar sir for this, and I'm very, very fortunate and happy to share this session with Dr. Sailata madam, because who is rather than on a professional front, rather than a colleague or the superiors that I work with, but still on a very personal note, I'm very happy to share this particular platform with Dr. Sailata madam. And I would really like to thank, first of all, Bhuvneshwari madam. Again, without her presence and without her planning and without her driving, nothing in PUC will actually take some shape. So thank you so much, madam. And of course, the Department of Commerce, be it with Jyoti or Ranjini or Kumar, Supriya, everyone, and of course with the language faculties as well, and of course people from the science. So very, very happy to get connected with you. Right. So I think without wasting much time, I would expect the students to interact with me, to open up, to talk more on a free note, because it's very important. It is not like you are no more a PU student now. right? You're almost a degree graduate student now, wherein you're about to take a particular program. So very first thing that a graduate, a student should learn and understand is trying to interact with others as much as possible, because unless and until you speak up, unless and until you talk, you discuss things, you just cannot learn, my dear students. So gone are those sweet, wonderful days where everyone starts protecting you, your parents, your teachers, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತನಕ, ಲೈಕ್ ಓ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರು ಪಾಪ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. But now I will tell you, nobody is going to protect you because you are adults now. So you are stepping into graduation program now. So that means you really need to think, you really need to act, you really need to speak up, you really need to learn, right? So it's very, very important for you to understand basically that yes, I should interact, I should open up, and I should discuss things quite freely, because that is the way that you will learn in the future days. Okay, on that particular note, hope my pace is fine, my the speed is fine, right? My chat box is open. You can continuously interact with me in the chat box. You can put it across in case if you have any queries, concerns, and issues. And of course, after completing the half an hour of today's session, I would be giving you 5 minutes time for any kind of questions and queries to address. Okay, so shall we begin? I'm not saying anything in the chat box. Shall we begin, my dear students? Are you there really?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. I'm absolutely fine even if you unmute yourself and speak up. In case if you could not unmute yourself and speak because of some network issues, you can always drop me the question in the chat box, okay? I think that would make the whole platform very clean and neat, okay? Yes. So just quickly tell me, would you able to see my screen? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, could you able to see my screen? Fine then. All right then. So let's begin today's session. I'm very happy to have you here in today's session. And I would like to also express my heartfelt thanks for the entire commerce department who has planned this and who has scheduled this, especially for the outgoing students. Okay. And next, I would really like to take you forward, welcome formally all the dear parents and students who are a part of this career guidance program, which is very, very important for you because it provides first-hand information to all of you on how to go about commerce education and how to pick up a particular decision. Okay. One question wherein, every student, prati obba student ku PU ನಂತರ ಕಾಡುವಂತ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, what next after second PU? So second PU ನಾನು ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So what after the second PU? What exactly that I have to do? Usually after crossing at the second PU, so after completing your second PU, whether it is science or commerce, so since it's meant for commerce, so this is a particular question where every student will be getting, in their heads. Next eno. Because every other person here and there, right from your faculty members to your parents to your neighbors and to your friends, everybody will start asking you this particular question. Okay, PU ana mugispitidiyappa, exam ildene munde enu, what next? Isn't it? So at this particular point, we call it as a juncture, right? Crossroads anta helteve. So what is this crossroads? So crossroads is nothing but you are standing in a particular position where the directions are multiple. Crossroads ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಈ ಚೌರಸ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ where 3 or 4 roads meet, right? You are at that particular point and you have so many directions in whatever the position that you can see. And now the question comes, which direction that I have to pick it up? Because you never know which direction will lead to what kind of a destination. But sometimes it would be a choice, sometimes it would be a chance, right? But what at this point in time we suggest to students is take as much information as possible before you pick up this particular decision. So what is that information that everyone is required of? So ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, PU ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ನಂತರ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್, ರೈಟ್? So these roads or these options or alternatives can be broadly categorized under 3 major categories, right? So how many categories? 3 major categories. One, which is the obvious choice, prati obru majority basis alli martakantadu, graduation, or we usually call it as degree programs. Second, illa I want to really get into some different kind of a program ankoltakanta students usually maduntadu graduation with professional courses and few certification programs. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು job opportunities, or probably they would start or they would try to continue with the kind of businesses they already have, right? So broadly, once if you look into the options or the alternatives in hand, you can broadly categorize this opportunities into 3 different sectors. So one, we call it as graduation. Second, graduation with professional courses and certification programs. 3, job opportunities or businesses. So now we will actually get into one by one. What do we mean by graduation? What are the different options where we basically have? Second, what do you mean by professional courses and certification programs? And third, we will again talk about the job opportunities or the businesses. Okay. Very first question that every student asks us, like, you know, whenever students meet the counselors or get into any kind of a degree program or something like that, but the very first question which comes into the mind is, okay, what are the courses after 12th commerce? 12th nantara ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Of course, the list is endless, I must say, because there are a lot of new courses, new areas, new fields coming up into the field, wherein there are very niche areas also. Tumba specialized age, tumba unique age, tumba ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ majority wise ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, like usually what is this trend, or usually what is the highest job market, for which kind of courses the job market is highly available, right? So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ತಲೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, there are like few courses where you can actually do after your 12th commerce. So what is that? Usually, again, this particular thing can be divided into 2 sectors. Okay, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. One, at the graduation level and at the professional courses, right? So now let us try to understand what are the common courses available at the graduation level. As you know that PUC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ, be it with CS or be it with stats, ಯೂಶಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ವೈಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಒಂದು BCom, ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, PCA, ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, BBM or BBA, because there are few universities which will offer BBM and there are few universities which will offer BBA, that is business management or business administration. The other one is business BSW on that, which is nothing but social work. The other one is BSc. BSc is for those students who take science as their domain or as their branch in PU. BSW can also be taken, but the number is quite less when compared to the other courses. But mainstream BCA is something where again the PU science students will usually opt BCA in case if they are very much interested in computer science. And usually offbeat, like, usually the trend where the students will predominantly choose is the options are between 2. One is BCom and the other one is BBA. That is BBM or BBA, right? So usually navenanta heltave, we call it as commerce and management courses anta heltave. So this is the very first option which is available to you, commerce as well as commerce and bachelor in business management or business administrations. There's 2 things usually ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, right? And apart from that, you also have something called professional courses. You have CA, that is chartered accountancy. you have ICWA, and you have CS. So these are the professional courses wherein the students can do along with degree or after the completion of degree program. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಥರನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅಥವಾ BCom ಅಥವಾ BBAಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ BCom ಅಥವಾ BBA ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸೇ CA can be taken both by BCom as well as BBA. ICWA is much more easier and much easy to pass when compared to CA. That is, ICWA again is taken by usually predominantly by BCom. CS is something which can be taken by BCom students as well as BBA students. But we see the trend that BBA students usually prefer CS. So this is something at your graduation level and at your professional courses. So now you can ask me this particular question, Madam, what exactly is CA? What exactly that we have to study in that? What exactly is ICWA? What exactly is CS? Well, that particular information will be definitely shared by Sailata Madam in second half of today's session. Okay, so you can try to get more information on the same in the second half of the session. And next, okay madam, ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 3 ವರ್ಷ BCom ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಥವಾ BBA ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. What next? What if in case I really want to study further? So what are the different options that I basically have, right? At PG level, we basically have two things. One is MBA, usual choice, and then BCom ಅಥವಾ BBA. ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಕೂಡ they can get into MBA. The same applies with MCom as well. Okay, but usually ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, BCom ಮಾಡಿ MCom ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ BBA ಮಾಡಿ MBA ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. But anyhow, you can study both depending upon the interest and depending upon what you really want to become after degree or after PG or something like that. And apart from that, there is something called banking and finance or MFM anta heltave, right? So we have a lot of specialized master's programs available in the market. One on banking and finance. Since in case there are like few students who really want to get into the banking area, banking field, ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲೇ ನನಗೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ IBPS examinations or I want to go for RBI exams attend ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ, like if you are so interested to get into the banking or the finance domains, you have specialized master programs even in that also, as you have MBA or MCom. And there is also something called MFM, that is Masters in Financial Management, is also something, a new course which is coming up, wherein where the lot of opportunities are also prevailing these days. So there's, apart from the regular mainstream MCom or MBA, you also have Masters in Banking and Finance or MFM. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನು ಓದೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, I do not want to get into the PG, I really do not want to study. Okay, I really want to start exploring the job opportunities. Yes, even right after your graduation, you are eligible to get placed in government jobs or as well as corporate jobs. So the job opportunities are open right from your graduation level. That means ನೀವು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನಗೆ PG ಆಗಿರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್. So depending upon what you score and how you do in the exams, entrance exams and things like that, you will get into the government jobs as well as the corporate jobs. So this is when it comes to at the PG level, right? So before I proceed, are you getting me? Just quickly say yes. Unmute your mic and say yes, because I cannot see chat box here.
Yes,
Ma'am, sorry for interrupt you, ma'am.
Yes, Jyoti madam.
Aruna ma'am, sorry for interrupting. Just it's visible for first slide, ma'am.
Is it visible only
We are
for
getting
first
only
time?
a first slide visible.
Oh, one
Yes,
second.
ma'am, up to this time. Yes, ma'am.
1 second. I will just redo it. I'll just redo it.
Okay, ma'am.
Jyoti madam, just tell me, can you see now?
Yes, ma'am. Right now I'm visible, but it's not taking the another slide, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
are you
Now
seeing
it's
the
shifting, ma'am.
guidance? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's changing, ma'am.
All right, all right. So this is what I already covered, right? Just quickly brush this up with for you, just for the slide's sake, since you could not see, right? So what next? We have covered, and we have covered, yes, after PU, it can be categorized in the three major categories. And after, what are the different kind of courses? Once we try to get after 12th commerce, that is, we have at the graduation level, we have few courses at the professional courses. And next is at PG level, so what is the different courses that we have at the PG level? Usually mainstream courses, we basically have MBA and MCOM. And apart from that, the new upcoming courses, which is much popular, is on banking and finance and MFM as well. So in case if you do not want to continue your higher education, you can always get into government jobs or the corporate jobs. So now the question comes, quickly tell me, can you able to see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the next slide, and the next slide.
No, ma'am.
Now.
No, ma'am. It's not visible.
Okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So that means it has got a problem in zooming as well. Yeah, okay. Now the question comes. Every student usually asks, okay, madam, okay, fine. I have done second PU commerce, and now I really want to take up BCom as my graduation program. So what I would be studying? Okay, this is the usual question where students asks us, like, what exactly that we would be studying in BCom? What exactly that we would be studying in BBA? Oh, how is our program? So yav thara irutte? Because yes, PU is something which is annual scheme based, wherein the degree program is not like that, which is a semester based. That is, every year is being divided into 2 semesters. Each semester constitutes of 6 months each. That means in 1 year, you have basically 2 semesters. So basically, you have to study 6 semesters in 3 years period of time. And now next, the most popular questions where the students ask us, madam, can you please tell us like what would be the syllabus? So my first question would be, it changes, it differs from university to the university in which you are applying for. Right? So, for example, PU adre, if Karnataka Kiri Karnataka tagondre, there are only 2 boards, one central and the other one is your state board, right? Ade thara, if degree programming bandre, there are universities where the institutions are affiliated, correct? So, university prescribed madate, like BCom programming idu syllabus, BBA programming idu syllabus. So what I would request all the students is just go to the respective university in which you try to apply for and scan how does the syllabus is all about and how the program is structured. Rather than asking anybody, ಈ homework na ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That confidence is very much necessary to start your preparation for the further programs. It's very important, right? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕುತೂಹಲ, ಒಂದು ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ, ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಆಂಬಿಗ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್. ಓದಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ BCom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ, BBA ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫರ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಖಡಾಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಇದು ಬೇಷ, ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ. ಸೊ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ನಾ. So start preparing this because this is your first homework. This is your first preparation, right? And hence I did not give much information on that. I'm sure that right after this session, I want everyone to just go back to the university. So which university? In case if you're residing in Shimoga, So you have to go to the Kuvempu University website and see like how the course structure is basically designed, right? And what is the syllabus? What are the subjects that we are going to study? But I would like to tell you, just for the understanding purpose, no matter whatever the university that you go through, ಏನೇ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, once if you talk about commerce and management, these are a few subjects that you're going to definitely learn. As I already told you, BCom and BBA is being divided into 6 semesters altogether, right? Wherein first 2 years ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you will have languages and you will have 4 subjects, 4 core subjects plus 1 fundamental paper. And when it comes to the final year, that is 5th and 6th semester, your specialization will begin. So you have to opt for a particular specialization program. Yeah, the specialization, again, university will offer different specialization papers for commerce, that is BCom or BBA courses, right? But majorly, so what are the subjects that you're going to learn? As you have learned in PU, like in PU ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, CS ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮತ್ತು principles of management, adu kaltidira. So same wise, likewise, you would definitely learn on the subjects, on the fields. That is nothing bad. Accountancy irutte, finance irutte, you have few papers on law, few papers on marketing, HR, and company secretarial practices allu irutte, and business administration. So these are the major focused subjects where you can actually learn once if you get into BCom or BBA program. Straight after that, now you can ask me like, madam, ishtu subjects kaltbitre saka, is that okay? Can we pass through? Can we be successful? Can we get into a very good job? Now my answer for this particular question, because we see a lot of students asking such questions whenever the topics of discussions comes at this point. Madam, ishtena madam, idan kaltbitre aita mugdaita. And now I will ask you one particular question. Is that all enough? I question you back to the students. Mere focus only on the subjects in a particular program, is it enough? I'm asking you, is that enough, my dear students?
No, ma'am.
No, definitely not. Howda? ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತನಕ, yes, of course, bookish ಆಗಬೇಕು. You have to know each and everything in the textbooks. I agree, because ನಿಮ್ಮ fundamentals, ನಿಮ್ಮ core content strong ಇರಬೇಕು. So you have to get into the textbooks. I agree. But over a period of time, just mere understanding of the subject matter is not enough. Let me tell you, is not at all enough. You have to be more practical in it. There are a lot of things that you have to understand. You have to work on it and you have to put it across. So now the question comes, okay, hangandre bari book ododalde ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು madam? So what exactly that we should do, correct? That's the question which comes to the mind. Howda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and the question is, and the answer is, I will tell you, like, see, once if you try to look at the knowledge funnel of commerce and education, ಒಂದು ಆ funnel ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, commerce education ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರಲೇಬೇಕು? ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And what is the input? One form of input that you actually know is, yes, you have to learn about accountancy, you have to know about finance, you have to know about management, you have to know about computers, etc., etc. But my question is that enough?
No, ma'am.
No. What you should do? What you should do then? Come on, what you should do then? No idea? All right. So what you should do then? Once by understanding a particular subject or a particular domain of knowledge, what you have to do is try to interact. ನೀವು ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, PU ಇಂದನೂ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೌದಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But now what you should do is you have to try to interact with your fellow seniors. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಚಯ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಬೆರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತುಕತೆ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, then you will understand what actually accountancy is all about. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to basically have that curiosity. ಏನಿದು, ಯಾಕಿದೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಏನು, ಇದು ಎಂತ, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ, ಆ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ನೀವು ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮೇಡಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೂಮ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೇಪಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ಆ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರು ನಾಲೆಜಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆ ವಿಚಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ to your senior, to your faculty member, to your HOD, to the principal, to the to the corporate people, to the seniors who are already working in the industry, to your relative, anybody for that matter, right? Try to talk, try to get more information on that. Then accountancy will become real fun, trust me. Second, finance. Ashte kaltre saka. We know what is finance, we know what is financial management, blah, blah, blah and all. You will learn more about it even in degree also. But is that enough? No. Please try to attend some technical sessions. So ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದೇ ತರ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ತುಂಬಾ ಆಳವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಮಚ್ ಡೀಪರ್. Then you will really appreciate finance. It's not just finance, but this applies to all other domains as well, but still. And once you have learned about principles of management, etc. in PU, am I right? Yes? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is this management all about? You will say that management is the art of getting things done, etc., etc. and all. But I will tell you, be a volunteer in whatever the way and whatever the form it is possible. Because once you start volunteering, because what is management? It's all about coordinating, right? It's all about managing things. It's all about ensuring that we tend to implement whatever it is planned, isn't it? And you can only understand the beauty of management once if you actually start doing it. So how to do it? Ma'am, heng ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Be a volunteer in any form for that matter, right? ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ರೈಟಾ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, whatever, let it be a smallest of the smallest job, but please try to do that, because that's how you develop the coordinating skills. It's very important. And once if you talk about computers, again, computers is something, one domain, again, you will learn either in commerce or either in management, because it's something which really cannot deny any program without computers. Because when I say computers, you will learn a lot about Excel, you will learn a lot about Tally, and because these kind of jobs are much in demand even now. Like, when it comes to analytics is something which is the very, very popular area, especially for the graduate students, So job opportunities, analytics field alli tumba ide, for which you need to understand Excel and Tally, etc. So that's again one thing that you basically need to focus on. So what you need to do, talk to students who are already placed in the companies. Try to get and grab their experiences. ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಇರೋ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಳಿ, ಅಕ್ಕ ನೀವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೇಗ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್, ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ವೈಬ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್. Right? That is the actual input that you have to gather in your graduation program. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yeah. Along with the regular subjects. Haganta heli subjects na bitbidodantalla. No. Along with that, to appreciate, to complement whatever that you have been learned, So this is the things that you basically need to do. And now you can ask me the question, okay, madam, 3 years of time, we will do all these things. And what is the output? ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Output is something, yes, this is the outcome of the education. You see yourself getting placed in accounting positions. Second, finance related jobs. Third, managerial positions. Fourth, banking, insurance, or any other government positions. Fifth, you can also get into ITES related jobs, that is any kind of a software, because BCA ಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ CS ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ IT ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ TCS, ವಿಪ್ರೋ, ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ Infosys. So all those jobs, even a BCom or a BBA graduate can also get. So definitely yes. So get into an ITES related jobs, and you can also become an entrepreneur. What do you mean by entrepreneur, by the way? Any answers? Any answers? I think you have nicely spending your gala time, having your gala time at home, isn't it? Exam illa, tension illa, so aram se. I just think that you are having a very good time. Okay, very good. But at least you should not forget your basics, right? So do not, so prep it up. So learn, do prepare on these things. Who is an entrepreneur? The one who starts up a business firm, an entity, right? If you really want to start up any business firm, you can do so. And now the question comes, the most popular question comes, you know, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ BCom ಸೇರೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. And the very next moment, the question comes into your mind that, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ BCom ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರತ್ತಾ BBA ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರತ್ತಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಅವಾಗ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ BBA, ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ BBA or BCom. Or some other friend has joined some other program, some other course. So now I'm little confused, like whether this is good or that is good. Correct? That's the most popular question where everybody faces. How do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Confusions, clarity ne irodilla. Hauda? Tumba confusion ide. Okay, where do we stand? Which course is better when compared with the other programs? Is this one is good or that one is good? So this is the most popular question. But I would really, really like to tell you something. Before asking this question, please ask yourself one popular question to yourselves. Whether did you had done enough homework or preparation before choosing a particular course? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ? ಯೂಶಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾರು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಏನು ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇದಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಥದ್ದು, ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, have a proper scan of what is what before making a decision. That's very important. Just like what we do in getting once if we get into a restaurant. Now hoteliಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, right? You want to order something. Before ordering, what do? Before ordering the food, what do you do? Hey, I asked a simple question, right? ಹೋಟೆಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಯೂಶಲಿ? ಮೆನ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಮೆನ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಮಸಾಲಾ ದೋಸಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟುಡೇ, ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನಾವು ಮೆನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Because we do not want to lose on to the other options, isn't it? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದೇನೋ ಇವತ್ತು, ಅಥವಾ ಇವತ್ತೇನೋ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದೇನೋ ಅಂತ ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ನೋ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಾವು ವಿತ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, isn't it? The same kind of confidence even you have to show even in picking up your courses as well. Right? And once ನೀವು ಆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಎಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ BCom ಅಂತ ಅಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದೇನೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. before asking anything, once if you have decided, yes, this is the one that I'm going to study ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? You know what is that? Do not ask questions. Ask only a single question to yourself. That is, ask, please. What is that? That is nothing but whether do I have the right attitude towards whatever that I'm learning. Most of the students ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. Ask yourself before learning something, before getting a particular admission in a particular program or in a particular institution, right? Ask yourself whether do I have got the right attitude to do it, right? ಕಲಿಯುವಂತ ಮನ್ಸಿದೆಯಾ ನಂಗೆ, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಂಗೆ, ಯಾವ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದಟ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಸ್ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ, ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ 100% ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಿರಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಡೂ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಜಾಬ್? ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಡೂ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್? ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಮಗೆ? ಏನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಆ ಕಲಿಕೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Because once if you start this question right from the beginning, trust me my dear students, 3 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು 100% ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. Ask this particular question. Do I have the required skill sets? If yes, superb. If no, what should I do in order to procure the same? It's very important. Do I have the knowledge? Very important. First of all, ನನಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾಲಿ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವೈವ್, isn't it? Our objective is to excel, isn't it? So that's very important. Before asking anybody on jobs or for any other questions for that matter, please ask yourself this particular question. Do I have attitude, skills, knowledge? Repeat. A for?
Attitude.
Yes.
Skills.
Skills.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Before getting into anything, at any point in life, at any stage, please ask yourself, ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಹಂತದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಬೆಟರ್ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ. Got it? And I'm sure when it comes to the placements opportunities or the job opportunities, once you are graduated from BCom or BBA, it's enormous. The spectrum is enormous. Jyoti madam, please tell me whether you can see my screen. Students, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The spectrum is altogether very, very wide and vibrant. You can see in yourself in very good positions like accountants, financial and business analysts, tax consultants, public sector, marketing jobs, business consultant, and administrative officers. You can also get into auditing, BPOs and KPOs, business development executives, banking, insurance jobs, and HR related jobs. So you can see yourself in a very, very promising positions, my dear. But for that, you need to be equipped. You need to be skilled. You need to really, really perform better, right? So you need to really build your credentials. By the time you complete your 3 years, so the interviewer bandaga, ನಾನು ನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮೈ ಐಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಜಾಬ್. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ultimate objective, right? And when it comes to looking at the closer picture, like, closer details of whatever that we have learned, we can conclude that, yes, commerce is a sought after course and has got a lot of career opportunities. No doubt, absolutely not. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ we used to always listen to one statement, commerce is an evergreen program. And ನಾವು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. And even now, we hear the same line that commerce is an evergreen program. It never fades away. It seems to be quite promising and upcoming. So, and again, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, oh madam, you come from the same department, so you talk about commerce. No, I come from Career Development Center because I happen to encounter myself with a lot of companies, speak to most of the HR managers, and and that's how I'm pretty confident of telling you that yes, this is a very sought after program because the job opportunities are enormous. It's multiple. So on a regular basis, we have been getting a lot of companies like Accenture, Wipro, TCS, Infosys, Perfios, V Technologies for our degree students, right? And CDC is something, as you know, that CDC Career Development Center is something which is a centralized center which caters its services not just to one particular institution, but all 5 institutions under PES group of institutions. So right from PES Polytechnic, PES PUC, PES IAMS, and PES ITM, right? So we cater our services to all our sister concern institutions under PES group. So what does this CDC is all about and what it basically does? So we provide our services on employability training. We give certification programs. We also give support in counseling sessions and in career counseling specifically, and in mentoring and skill enhancement programs, and eventually leading into placements, right? So this is what we basically does. And in case, if you really want to connect with us in any kind of career concerns for that matter, like if you really want to get us connected with in terms of mentoring, in terms of career guidance, in terms of counseling sessions, you can definitely contact me in CDC, which is there in PES ITM blog. Okay, that's my contact number and mail ID. In case if you have any career related concerns, you can definitely get in touch with me, contact with me, right? And get it clarified and sorted. Okay, on that particular note, before we wind up the first half of the today's session. So I would just quickly give you a couple of minutes in case if you have anything, you can straight away ask me. Can we do that? Can we do that? Any questions or shall we proceed? All right. I think there are no questions as such, but you can always contact me in case if you have any kind of concerns and queries. That's one thing. And on that particular note, I would really like to thank the entire team of PES PUC for having me on this particular platform, in providing you whatever the information that I could give you to the best of my knowledge. Thank you so much. And we would really look forward to Dr. Sailatha Madam's session now. Over to you, Jyoti Madam. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. My hearty gratitude for your beneficial information, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I request Dr. Sailatha K, Principal IAMS PES Trust.
Hello, Jyoti Madam. 1 minute.
Over to you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Jyoti
okay,
Madam, let us take a small thanks saying by me for Arna Madam. Arna Madam.
Sir.
You excellently, wonderfully gave a widespread, very broaded information about the what next after PUC Commerce students.
Thank you
so much. It is very highly informative, and it is most useful to the students community at the crossroads, at this juncture of crossroads.
Yes.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Please, Sailatha madam.
Over to you, ma'am.
So, good evening to everybody. I would like to first of all thank Principal PSPU Ranganataya sir for having me in this session, and I would like to thank entire team for selecting me to talk about the add-on courses and certificate courses along with the graduation program. Am I audible, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, thank you.
Audibility
Yes.
is perfect.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, is my screen shared? Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am. Still, it's not
No.
visible.
Okay, 1 minute. Now, is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
It's visible. The slides are visible now?
Yeah, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yeah.
can proceed.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. So, I would like to negotiate something with the permission of the principal, sir, with the students. Can I, sir? Principal, sir? Principal, sir?
Madam, please.
Sir, I want to negotiate with the students. Okay?
Yeah.
On one
Yeah,
particular
yeah.
aspect. Yeah. Can I go
Okay.
ahead? Yeah.
Proceed,
Okay.
madam, please.
So, dear students, what is my negotiation is, now I have been into this session with Aruna ma'am session. The interaction was very, very less. So hence I would like to request all of you, interact with me, put your, what is that? Your answers in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can talk to me. So whoever talks to me in a higher mode, you will be given a small gift. Okay? Is it okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay, fine. So I request Sriranjani to make a note of this. Okay. So let me start the certificate courses or add-on courses and certificate courses along with the graduation. Madam was talking about the degree programs after after PUC Commerce. What are the different graduation programs we have? She majorly focused on BCom and BBA. And in Kuvempu University, we have a very general BCom and BBA. We don't have any specialization BCom, BBA courses. But whereas if you look at other universities, we have a BCom course with this specialization. 3 years you'll be studying that. And BBA, you'll be studying different specializations. It may be a export-import management or supply chain management, BBA aviation. Like this, we have very wide varieties of degrees after PUC Commerce. So along with that, students usually they choose the normal, that is general BCom. So if you ask me, what are the other BCom we have? So when I was working in Amrita University, we had BCom taxation, which was in a highest demand. So that BCom students, they'll study BCom subjects along with that the taxation papers. So those taxation papers, they are going to be tailored in such a way. So whatever CA students will study in their CA course, so they'll be studying all those subjects in that particular degree program. If you take a BBA Aviation Management, so BBA Aviation, it is related to the airline industries. So here, people will study. They are going to be equipped with the knowledge of the aviation management from the ground floor management to the top management, people management and all. So again, they'll be having a different specializations in the BBA aviation also. So along with that, traditional courses what we have, BCom and BBA, that is not enough, because madam, at the end of the session, she was talking about the skills. Now, introduction of the new education policy, that the objective of the new education policy is training the students with the skill sets, because skills are very, very important. Without skills, you cannot survive. If you have only knowledge and if you don't have the professional skills, then it is very difficult for you to settle down in your career. Okay, so because of that, you need to have the skills too, along with your graduation or masters. So at the level of the graduation, we have our add-on courses. The popular add-on courses what we have is CA, that is Chartered Accountancy. Then CA ICW, so now they are one and the same, that is Cost and Management Accounting. Then CSEET, Company Secretary Executive Entrance Test. So just let me share about the CA course now. So as you know that CA, we have a eligibility criteria, that is Chartered Accountant course. Usually what happens, once commerce students, they pass their second PUC, they would like to pursue the CA also. So few students, they opt during the graduation period itself, and few of them, they choose this CA course after the CA, after the degree course. But I would like to suggest the students is that if you are really focused and if you want to settle down in your career very fast, okay, please take up these add-on courses. It may be a Chartered Accountancy or the Company Secretary or Cost and Management Accounting courses. Please take it up when you are doing your BCom or BBA. So because for this, the eligibility is your PUC second year. So this one, we have 3 levels here. So the 3 levels are, first level is CPT, but now we call it as a CA Foundation. Before we used to call it as a CA CPT. So that is the Common Proficiency Test, foundation course this is. So this course you have to take it up, and you'll have a time period for 6 months. May and in the December they'll conduct the examinations. You can take coaching classes for CA, and you can study the papers. Here you have to study 4 papers. Then you have to pass all these 4 papers with a minimum of 50 marks. They say passing marks is a 40, but aggregate you have to get the 200 marks in the 4 papers. So this first level of the CA you have to finish it off. Then you have to go for the IPCC. So madam, are you seeing this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Students are okay. Then next you have to go for IPCC, that is Integrated Professional Competency course. Here you have to study 4 groups. So 4 groups you will have a different papers. Okay. So at least at a time you have to finish 2 groups without any failure. If you fail in one subject, again you have to take 2 groups. So this is what the criteria you have for the IPCC. Then you have a FC, that is the final course. Here one thing I would like to tell you is, once you pass the CA, CPT and IPCC, you have to do a internship for the 3 years. Okay. So 3 years you have to do. Then you have to do this internship under the CA, who has already established. You have to work with him for 3 years. Then in that 3 years, last 6 months, you have to appear for the final course. That is FC, you have to appear, and there you have to pass. So once all this is done, then you are going to be given as a Chartered Accountant a certificate. Okay. So here I would like to tell you one thing is, if you are really focused, as a commerce student, if you want to settle down in your career very fast, and most of the students, they'll take up a CA. And I have seen in my experience, students will take up CA, okay, no, only for the namesake, they'll take it. Okay, they want to say what you are doing because it is a what is kind of a proud thing. If ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು CA ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂಥರ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ವಿಚಾರ. ಸೊ ಆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಅವ್ರ ಕೇಪಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ BCom BBA they'll take up the CA and finally they'll struggle. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗದೆ they'll end up in a very different scenario. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ನಾವು IIMS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ವೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್, ಐ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ದೆಮ್ 70+ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿ CA, CS or CMA courses, because if you get into that and if you pass that, your career is fixed. You need not to bother about, because this is highly paid job in India. Okay, because there is a huge demand in this. Okay, corporate CA agbitre antu lakshangatle amount sigutte nimge salary agi. So hangagi if you are focused in the career, please take it seriously. Otherwise what happens, by what is that bad luck, if you cannot clear it, no need to worry, that will enhance your degree result too. Right? So ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು CS. ಈಗ CS EET ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ PUC ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಫೆಟರ್ನಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ CS ಈಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲೈಟರ್ ದನ್ CA. CA ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರು, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ 8 months ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ 9 months ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ 10 months ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 to 5 lakhs per annum ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಈ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ CS. ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ CS. ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಮಾರ್ಕೆಟರ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು. ಈ ತರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಇನ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು CS ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ BCS ಅಂತ, ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಇದನ್ನ ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಎರಾ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಎರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ most of the job opportunities are there in this particular area also. Then next comes to the CMA, cost management accounting course. So this is also for 3 levels. First is the foundation level, next the intermediate level, and the final level. The duration is flexible here. It's not very fixed like in your CS and CA ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 6 months to 4 years ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್, ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Then you have two types of certification courses. One Indian CMA course certification ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು US certification course ಇದೆ. You can opt for anything, and you can get into this particular course, and you can take it, and you can clear the examination, and you can confirm your career in this particular field. So if you are interested in this, then what are the skill sets you are going to gain andre idralli? Financial accounting ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, strategic management, external financial reporting, ಮತ್ತೆ internal controls, performance management, cost management, expertise in management accounting, profitability analysis, which is very, very important, because without profit, no organization is not going to exist. Though we say we are not, no, we are service oriented. So if you want to exist, and if you want to go forward in the market, profits are must. Okay. So previously we used to say that business houses are they are going to be started to make profits, but now it is slightly different. They are we are starting the business for the creating the wealth for whom, wealth for everybody. It is for the owners, it is for the employees, it is for the society in a broader way. So because of that, this wealth, how you can create through the profits only, right? So this profitability analysis is must, because that you are going to get here. Then planning and budgeting, risk management, then investment decisions. Then eligibility, as I said, it is going to be a what is that? PU ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. Then these are the few very high demand courses, add-on courses anta heltivi navu, because they are not short-term courses. Short-term courses we call them as a certificate courses. So you just attend some 30 hours of program, you attend 40 hours of program, 30 hours, 40 hours, you will get a certificate. So that is a certificate course programs. Then you have if you more than 6 months or more than 1 year, you just take it up a course. We call them an add-on courses. These courses you can do along with your BCom and BBA. And when it comes to the certificate courses, there are tons and tons of certificate courses. I don't know how to list it out. So just because of that, I have went to the few certificate online certificate courses. Websites are there, like Coursera. We have MOOCs, we have Swayam, we have edX. So these are the few online courses, websites where you can just get in. You can just browse it based on your interest and the potentiality. Then you can select the course, and you can see whether it is possible for you to match up with your regular course. And there are few courses, they're free too. Okay, free ಆಗು ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದುಡ್ಡು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಫ್ರೀ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫ್ರೀ ಇದಾವೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. EDX, it is almost paid, and Coursera, it is totally free courses. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ lot of potential in you as a leadership ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ it is not sufficient. You can set up your career. You need to acquire and enhance your skills in that particular potential area. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ BCom BBA ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್, ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತರನು ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅವಕಾಶನೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you'll try to understand the concepts in a better way, and that concept you can put it in a practice in a well versed way, so that your career can be smooth and safe. Okay, so just I'll go one by one sites, one or two. So because it is 5:20 already, I'll show you few courses. So I'll just go to the MOOCs now. See, if you go to MOOCs, now just you type in the Google MOOC certificate courses. So it will show you the website. There, you can select the what is that, the business and management courses. And if you click here, you have a business management courses. Again, in that, you will have tons and tons of courses like this, no? So related topics, accounting. Say, suppose you are interested in accounting, or you can just select that accounting, accounting actual science, you can select business analysis. Again, you have here, see, banking, Bitcoin. So courses under banking, you will have again, different courses. Bitcoin and the so Bitcoin andre enu adralli enen courses ide ella toorsutade. So back like this, you will have many courses under this. So you can choose any course. So once you choose course, it will show you what is the syllabus. Say, suppose I'm choosing this Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies I'm selecting here. This is the fourth one I'm selecting, because cryptocurrencies are now, it is a hot cake kind of a thing in the market now. So now it ends in the December 15th. It shows everything. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 6 weeks ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, 3 to 5 years per week ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. And just go here. I say here corporate finance courses. So in the corporate finance courses, I will select accounting. In the accounting, again, I have these many. Right? Accounting essentials, financial accounting made fun, eliminating your fears, financial accounting, accounting and finance, right? Then accounting for decision making, we have financial accounting, management in engineering, accounting and planning. Then financial reporting, we have management accounting and corporate control, we have taxes and decision making, we have. Okay. So if you just browse, you have tons and tons of certificate courses. It's depend on your potentiality. It depends on your, what is that I say, your interest, your focus, your determination to become something in the society. Because if you don't become something in a society, nobody will recognize you. Please keep that in the mind. Now, if you do something, if you contribute something to the society in a good way, people will really recognize you, and that is going to become a meaning for our life, right? With that intention, you should take it up your career. So that MOOCs is now done. I'll show it you with the Coursera now. So we have Coursera website one. Okay. Here also we have different what is that certificate courses. Okay. Here you can see strategic leadership and management. And you believe or not, once you do your BBA and MBA. So MBA, you have a specialization in few universities. MBA strategic management itself. And these strategic managers are highly paid managers in the world. Okay. So if you take this course very seriously, you can be paid highest salary in the world. These are the managers are highly paid managers. Then you have fundamentals of project planning and management, foundations of management, managing the company of future, right? Project management principles and practices. Now what not? Brand management, which is very, very important. ICPM certificate supervisor, right? Now, if you just go to Coursera, right, MOOCs, Swayam, and the edX. Now, these are the few websites. If you just go, you have n number of courses. You can choose course which is going to be suit to your potentiality. I am repeating once again. Please don't take. My friend is taking the brand management. I'll also take. Please don't do that. Because I have observed in my experience, when student come to the college for the admission, madam, ನನ್ನ friend ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. So please don't do such kind of decisions. So whatever potential you have, you identify that first. Now, as I told you, you are good at leadership qualities. Take up certificate courses which are dealing with the leadership qualities or administration skills. If you're good at what is that, estimations, okay, forecast, you can estimate very clearly, you can assess clearly, you have that logical thinking, okay, you have highest potentiality in this particular area. Please select maybe supply chain management or logistics and all, or investment decisions, okay, portfolio constructions, portfolio managements, okay, or you can take up the courses like derivative markets, their management, okay, these kind of so you have to choose the courses in such a way which will suit to your particular potentiality. So if you don't select your courses according to your potentiality, then you'll end up in a mess. So that is going to be very a bad thing. Then I'll show you a few courses in EDX. So EDX, it is we have many courses under this. Introduction to corporate finance, then introduction to investment. If you just supply chain management, Six Sigma. So it is old, but still it is very popular certificate course. Then supply chain management and technology, then lean production, like this. You have introduction to marketing management. Okay, so you just go to that particular website or scroll for the certificate courses. What are the certificate courses you have, and look at the eligibility criteria. So are you eligible? Because few courses are going to be open for all, anybody can take. That can be taken by the PU plus students, degree student, master degree student, faculties, research fellows, anybody can take it. That is open. So eligibility criteria you need to look at, then you have to select your courses. So after telling this, we at PSIAMS, we offer MCOM, BCom, BBA, BCA, and BSc. So since you are into the campus, probably you'll be knowing this. And we have a glory of securing 32 university ranks since inception. Recently, we got second rank in the BCA and third rank in the MCOM, and fourth rank in the BCA, eighth rank in the BCA, fourth rank again in the BBA, then ninth rank in the BBA. And as Madam said, Aruna Madam said, we do take care of the career activities and placement activities very seriously, because most of the students, they want to settle down after their degree. Gone are the days, hinde ittu ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ, PhD ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಈಗ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ಅಟ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಲೈಫ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಬ್ರು ದುಡಿದು 10 ಜನ ಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈಗ 10 ಜನ ದುಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜೀವನ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ if you go to the market along with your parent, probably you'll be knowing what is the cost of vegetables, what is the cost of the groceries and all. So previously, 80 rupees, 90 rupees oil packet to 200 rupees agide. So if that is the case, if one person earns, that is not enough, is it not? So because of that, gone are the days, nanu ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್. 5 o'clock ಇಂದ 12 o'clock ವರೆಗೂ ದುಡಿದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫೀಸ್ನ ಅವರೇ ಕಟ್ಟಿ, ಅವರೇ ಬಂದು, ಅವರೇ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಅವ್ರ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಇದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. I really say hats off to all those students, because they know what is life, how to lead life, how to help the parents, how to substitute the income of the parent. They ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ ತಂದೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋಕೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಬರ್ಡನ್. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಅರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇ ಮೈ ಫೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. I'll feel so happy about that. Okay, so these are the placement statistics we have. Recently, few students they have recruited in Byju's. So with the package of 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. So that is really amazing. So 3 of our students have been recruited there. And at our PSMS, we have different, what is that, forums. Synthesis is a commerce and management student forum. Cluster is a computer science forum. Abhivekti is for the languages. Kalarava for the culturals. Maitri is a women rehearsal cell. NSS, YRC and research cell. Through this, we do conduct many activities. Major activities probably ನಾವು ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದ್ರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪಿ ಯು ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಂಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀವಿ ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಮೇಧಾವಿಷ್ಕರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವಿ ಡು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಅವರ್ IIMS ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಡೇ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಸೊ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ all these things we are doing at our IMS. And as I told you, because we don't believe only in traditional way of teaching learning process, we want to give extra learning activities to the students. Because of that, we do offer add-on courses at PSMS, CA, CME, and CSE. And for the last 2 years, we are offering these courses. In the first batch, one student, Ms. Priyanka, has cleared CA Foundation in the first attempt. She is the first batch student, and she is the one she cleared CA Foundation in the first attempt. So out of 5 students, she is the one she cleared. And probably next, this examination happening in the month of June, but they have postponed because of the COVID. So probably few more students may also get clear. And as I told, certificate courses, we have offered these many certificate courses in the past 5 years. Health management, goods and services tax, that is GST, digital marketing, payroll management, stock market options, advanced Excel, technical analysis, employability skills, then accounts executive, accounts payable and receivable skills, competitive exams for banking, competitive exam for insurance, stock market operations and financial planning. So these are the various certificate courses we have offered to the all our degree students at different levels. So we are not going to offer these courses at a stretch. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ we offer. It is not very compulsory for the students to take it up. It is optional. But taking up these courses is very what is that important. As I told you, if you want to settle in your life with a very calm and cool way. So if you are interested, please contact me. You can take a screenshot of the slide and you can contact me for any admission inquiries. So as I told you, we will be having a gift for you, right? Whoever responds very fast. Okay. Now I would like to tell you, just I ask you one question. You put it in a chat box, please. I'll ask you a question now. Please put your question answers in the chat box. Only 36 students are left out. That's good. Shall we start now? Put it in your chat box. Shall we start? Okay. You just type it in a chat box, please. So don't unmute. Put it in the chat box. Okay? Okay. Let me start now. I'll give you animal name. You have to tell me. So it is going to be symbolized for what? Okay? So if I say dog, what it will get to your mind? If I say dog, what you will come to know? Honesty, very good. Okay, if I say peacock, if I say peacock, no answer. National bird symbolizes for what? Symbolizes for what? Beauty, Anything else? Anything else colorful? Anything else? We call it as, it is symbol of dance, right? We say Natya Mayuri, right? Okay. If I say nightingale, what it symbolizes? Voice, singing, good singing. Okay. If I say lion, roar, then king, that is strength. Okay. Yeah, very good. King of the jungle, very good. So that means strong. Okay. If I say snake, poison, very good. Sanu Shaikh is giving repeated answers, very good. Poison, very good. Ramya, okay. Now, let me tell you one thing. If I say cricket, silent killer, okay. If I say cricket, whom will you will get in your mind? Cricket, favorite game. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರು ತಲೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ, ಧೋನಿ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಧೋನಿ ಹೆಸರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, MS ಧೋನಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಚಿನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿರಾಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, MS ಧೋನಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ತಲೆಗೆ? ಆಲ್ಬರ್ಟ್ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೀನ್. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಯಾರು ತಲೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ, ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್, ಗುಡ್. ವರ್ಷಾಂಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಗುಡ್. ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ MJ, ಮೈಕಲ್ ಜಾಕ್ಸನ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೇಮ್, ಪುನೀತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪುನೀತ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಯು, ನೀವು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಪುನೀತ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪುನೀತ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಿಮ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದೆ. ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ರಮ್ಯಾ. People are still thinking. Good leader, very good. Chatterbox, okay. Quick, still you are thinking. ನೀವು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, okay, thanks a lot for chatting with me in a very fast way. No, people are taking lot of time to tell your potentiality, to identify your potentiality, right? So I would like to a small word. Please identify your potentiality, craft it properly, take initiative in grooming that potentiality in a proper way, so that your career becomes very easy and smooth. So by saying this, I would like to thank my principal sir, Ranganataya sir, Professor Ranganataya sir, for giving me an opportunity to talk to you. It is really wonderful to interact with you all. Probably my inputs and tips have helped you in choosing your career in a proper way. And I would like to thank Bhuvneshwari ma'am, and I would like to thank entire faculty of commerce PU for giving me the opportunity. And I would like to thank Aruna ma'am also for sharing this particular session with me, and it is very glad for me to share a session with Madam also. So please stay at home. Please be safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. No, be away from COVID-19, and be healthy, and try to boost your immunity power. For any details at PSIMS, please do take screenshot of this, and please contact me for anything, any other matters, not only for admissions, for any other clarifications also you can talk to me. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sailata madam.
Yes, sir.
You gave a very wonderful, very informative and most useful tips for our students at this juncture of crossroad. Thanks a lot, madam.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure, sir.
Again, Jyoti madam, I will continue the turn. I hope so. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello,
President.
hello, Jyoti madam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good evening to all. I would like to add one more tip for your what next after PUC Commerce, other than our the information given by Aruna madam as well as Dr. Sailata madam. There is one more legal service you can try to enter after your PU Commerce, that is BBA LLB 5 years integrated course, and BCom LLB again a 5 years integrated course. Those who are really interested for legal service, or you want to do what is called a judiciary service in the society or legal service in the various companies and etc., you can easily do your BBA LLB, BCom LLB, a 5 years integrated course. In order to enter that degree at National School of Law, National Law School of India University in Bangalore, or in various states of India. Again, they are the very noted law schools or judiciary schools in India. They are giving extraordinary quality education. For that, you need to take a CLAT examination. The CLAT examination means a common law admission test. It is one test conducted at national level. Usually, the question is, can we enter legal service or law education after 12th commerce? Answer is yes. So what are the other requirements? The minimum age is 20 years you need to complete, and 50% of marks in your second PUC examination. With this note, I would like to congratulate all of you have a certified, qualified pre-university course completed candidate who are eligible for any undergraduation. ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಂಡರ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ BCom, BBM ಈ ತರ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ PUC ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವೀಗ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ PS ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು PU ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, 2-3 ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 200 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 200 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 200 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 4-5 ಏರಿಯಾಗಳನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೇ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 40, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ 50. ಸೊ 90 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈ 2 ಏರಿಯಾನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನು 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 45 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 45 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಹೀಗೆ 200 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನ 200 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು 45% ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದವರು ಇದರ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 40% ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ SC ST ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿನವರು ಸಹ ಲಾಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅರುಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳದಂತ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯುವರ್ ದ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್, ದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ಅವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರುಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸಾಯಿಲತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳದಂತ ಕೋರ್ಸೆರಾ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಮೂಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ PSPUC ಟೀಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ PUC ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ PUC ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇರುವಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಇಬ್ರು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್, ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಎರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವುಗಳು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಆ ತರದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಶೇರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿ ಯು ಡೂ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿತ್ ದ PU ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಟ್ PSPUC ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ರೈಟ್? ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಟಾಕ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಬ್ರು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the precious information, sir. So we cannot wind up our program without thanking you all. Now, we are already at the end of this program. So I request Ms. Supriya K, lecturer in commerce, to render vote of thanks. Supriya, over to you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. It's my immense pleasure to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of our institution. First of all, I would like to thank the resource person of today's webinar, Dr. K. Sailata, Principal PSIMS. Thank you, ma'am, for your useful guidance regarding the future academic professional courses and their benefits. Thank you, ma'am.
It's my pleasure.
And I would like to thank the another resource person, that is Mrs. Aruna A, Manager, CDC PS Trust. Thank you, ma'am, for your motivational speech regarding the future job opportunities in the commerce field. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
I extend my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Rangnatha AS, Principal PSPUC. Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement, and your able guidance is always supporting us.
Thank you, madam.
And I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Srimati Bhuneshwari ji, for her support and their guidance. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Supriya.
Now, I would like to thank all the aspirants of today's webinar, that is our students, who utilizes these opportunities for the future academic courses. Thank you all. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all the faculties who have worked for the smooth conduction of this program. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Supriya.
Thank you, Supriya madam. We extend thanks to you and your team.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to all our students. Okay, let us exit. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅರುಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆದ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Right. So in a short while, let us try to bring out the comments ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದರ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನೋ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುಮಾರ್.
ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆಲ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂತು. And I'm getting messages also in WhatsApp and in common messages that meeting was very useful.